Hi everyone, it's about 4:30. We're in Lost Springs. It's a little place with a population of 1, and we've just sheltering under this little picnic area out of the storm. We've just been followed by thunder and lightning, and as soon as we stopped here, we've just managed to avoid getting caught in hailstorms as well. I've got to show you the size of one of these hailstones. Hang on. Look at the size of them. You don't want to be caught out on your bike when they're falling on your head, do you? Anyway, looks like we're going to stop here for a bit, wait it out. So probably a bit late getting into Lusk tonight, but I think it's probably a much better idea than riding our bikes in this weather. Don't know if you can, I'll just pan around see if we can catch some of the lightning, but it's all around us at the moment. Ooh, that one. Beautiful Wyoming weather again. Anyway, send you a message when we get in, and I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.